Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to destination for honest and in-depth reviews of the latest appliances that make your life easier. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best slow cooker programmable with timer in its category. The Elite Gourmet MST-900D 8.5-quart digital programmable XL Jumbo Slow Cooker. Let's get straight into why this beast of a slow cooker deserves a spot on your kitchen counter. The brushed stainless steel finish is modern and fits right in with any kitchen aesthetic. It comes with a clear tempered glass lid and a removable oval-shaped stoneware crock, both dishwasher safe, which means cleanup is a breeze. The overall build feels sturdy, and at 14.6 pounds, it's portable enough to move around when needed, yet heavy enough to feel durable and premium. The 8.5-quart capacity is where this cooker starts to shine. Whether you're hosting a family dinner or meal prepping for the week, this jumbo size can easily handle a large turkey breast or a full beef roast. It's a lifesaver for batch cooking and entertaining. It's also got cool touch handles that make it safe to move even when it's piping hot, a small detail that shows they've thought about your safety in the kitchen. Now let's talk tech, the digital programmable interface. You get full control with settings for low, high, and keep warm. And here's the kicker. It's programmable for up to 20 hours. Set it in the morning before work and come home to a perfectly cooked stew or sauce, no babysitting required. That level of automation is a game changer for busy households. We tested it with a classic pot roast. The meat came out fork tender, and the vegetables were cooked just right, not too soft, not too firm. The heat distribution is even, thanks to its oval stoneware crock, which really maximizes the cooking surface. Whether you're making dips for game day or slow cooking a complex curry, this slow cooker handles it with ease. Once you're done, pop the lid and crock into the dishwasher, and just wipe down the heating base with a damp cloth. No scrubbing, no mess, just simple, fast cleanup. With its 300-watt ETL-listed motor, elegant design, and robust functionality, the Elite Gourmet MST-900D is not just another slow cooker. It's an upgrade to how you prep meals. Perfect as a wedding gift, a housewarming essential, or your new kitchen MVP. So, if you're looking for a programmable slow cooker with a timer that delivers on both performance and convenience, this is it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review. Drop your questions in the comments and let us know what product you want us to test next. See you next time. Happy cooking!